Today in this video we are going to discuss the periodic classification of elements. This is the part 3 video. I have already posted part 1 and 2 videos. If you have not watched, I am giving the link at the top of this video. Here in this video the contents are electron gain enthalpy and its variation along its period and group, electronegativity and its variation along its period and group, and multiple choice questions. Let's begin. Electron gain enthalpy. When an electron is added to neutral gaseous atom, which is X, to convert into a negative ion, the enthalpy change accompanying the process is defined as the electron gain enthalpy. It is denoted by delta H. Here Eg represents electron gain. Here X is the neutral gaseous atom. We are adding one electron to the neutral gaseous atom and becomes an anion, which is a negative ion. The process of adding an electron to the atom can either be endothermic or exothermic. Endothermic means absorption of energy, exothermic means evolution of energy. It depends on the element. For many elements, energy is released when an electron is added to the atom, which means exothermic, and the electron gain enthalpy is negative. For example, group 17 elements are also called halogens have very high electron gain enthalpies because they can attain stable noble gas configuration, which is completely filled configuration, by picking up an electron. The electronic configuration of halogens are Ns2 Np5. By gaining one electron, it becomes Ns2 Np6, which is more stable. On the other hand, noble gases have stable Ns2 Np6 configuration already, and the addition of further electron to this is unfavorable and requires more energy. Variation of electron affinity in a period. While going from left to right in a period, that is from alkali metals to halogens, the electron affinity increases. This is due to an increase in nuclear charge in the nucleus and decrease in the size of the atoms. However, the elements such as beryllium, which has 1s2, 2s2, and nitrogen 1s2, 2s2, and 2p3, the addition of extra electron will disturb their stable electronic configuration. The beryllium has completely filled s orbital and the nitrogen has half-filled p orbital, which is more stable. While adding one electron to this, it will disturb an electronic configuration. Hence, they have almost zero electron affinity. While going from top to bottom in a group, the electron affinity decreases. It is due to an increase in atomic size. We already know, while going from top to bottom, atomic size increases and the shielding effect will be more. The inner electrons will shield the nucleus. However, the oxygen and fluorine have lower affinity than sulfur and chlorine. This is due to oxygen and fluorine have smaller size and they have high electron density. Moreover, addition of extra electron to oxygen and fluorine has to be accommodated in 2p orbital, which is smaller compared to 3p orbital. In 2p orbital, the repulsion of electrons will be more and hence the electron affinity of oxygen and fluorine are lower than sulfur and chlorine. This table represents the electron gain enthalpies or electron affinity of some main group elements. Here you see the oxygen and sulfur and fluorine and chlorine. Here increases and here increases and then decreases. Electronegativity. Electronegativity is defined as relative tendency of an atom or element present in covalently bonded molecule. A molecule which is covalently bonded attract the shared pair of electrons towards itself. Unlike ionization enthalpy and electron gain enthalpy, it has not a measurable quantity. The number of numerical scales of electronegativity elements. They are Pauling scale, Mulliken, Jaffe scale, Allred-Rochow scale have been developed. The mostly accepted scale is the Pauling scale. Variation of electronegativity in a period. While going from left to right in a period, electronegativity increases. While going from left to right, the atomic radius decreases in a period. We already know that, as the attraction between the valence electron in the nucleus increases. Hence, the tendency to attract the shared pair of electron increases. Therefore, electron negativity also increases while going from left to right in a period. While going from top to bottom in a group, electronegativity generally decreases. As we move down the group, the atomic radius also increases, and the attractive force from the electron to the valence electron to the nucleus also decreases. Hence, the electronegativity decreases. The more noble gases are assigned to have zero electronegativity. The electronegativity of elements of S block, which is alkali metals and alkaline earth metals, show the expected decreasing order in a group. Relationship between non-metallic properties and electronegativity. Non-metallic elements have strong tendency to gain electrons than metallic elements. Therefore, electronegativity is directly related to non-metallic properties of the elements. The increase in electronegativities across a period, which is from left to right, it is increasing the non-metallic properties or decrease in the metallic properties. Similarly, decrease in electronegativity from top to bottom accompanied by decrease in non-metallic properties, or other words, increase in metallic properties of elements. For example, we take the molecule KCl. The chlorine is more electronegative than potassium. So, the shared pair of electrons in potassium will be pulled to the chlorine. Summary. This is the periodic table, schematic periodic table. The atomic radius increases from top to bottom. From left to right, atomic radius decreases. Electronegativity increases from left to right. Electron gain enthalpy or electron affinity increases from left to right. Ionization energy increases from left to right, and ionization energy decreases from top to bottom. Electron affinity decreases from top to bottom. Electronegativity also decreases from top to bottom. We are going to solve some multiple choice questions. First question, the electron affinity values in kilojoule per mole of three halogens X, Y and Z are respectively given as -349, -333 and -325. Then the X, Y and Z respectively are. The options are given. In halogens, the electron affinity or electron gain enthalpy increases from fluorine to chlorine and then decreases to iodine as the atomic size increases. Fluorine has less electron affinity than chlorine due to the very small size of the fluorine. Hence, the order will be fluorine is lesser than chlorine, chlorine is greater than bromine, and bromine is greater than iodine. But still, the electron affinity of fluorine is greater than bromine and iodine. So, the option 2 is the correct answer. Chlorine is greater than fluorine and bromine. The formation of oxide ions O2 minus requires first exothermic and then endothermic step as shown below. These are the two equations given and the enthalpies are given. Why? Because the question is asked why. When an electron is added to negatively charged ion, here the oxygen is already negative ion. While we add one electron to the negatively charged ion, it experiences more repulsion rather than attraction. Hence, addition of second electron usually requires more energy. As a result, second electron affinity values are positive, that is endothermic. So, the option is C. Which of the following is more electronegative? The option given is carbon, silicon, lead and tin. The answer is carbon. Why? Because electronegativity decreases down the group. The question is asked more electronegative, so carbon is more electronegative and tin is less electronegative. Which of the following has no unit? Electronegativity has no unit because energy has unit and electron affinity also has unit. In the following, the element of highest electropositivity is. Here the question is asked electropositive, not electronegative. So alkali metals are electropositive. Here the alkali metal is cesium. So the correct answer is cesium, and electropositive increases down the group. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe this channel. If you have any queries, please post it in the comment section. Have a nice day. Enjoy. Take care.